ServiceTitan is built for large, complex field service operations with deep workflow control, while Workiz is built for faster, simpler job management for small to mid-sized service teams, and that difference shapes everything from setup to daily use. By the end of this, you'll know how ServiceTitan and Workiz compare in real operations, where each one fits best, and which platform actually matches the size and complexity of your service business. ServiceTitan is designed as an enterprise-level field service system. It connects scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoicing, customer management, and reporting into one tightly controlled workflow. The focus is on managing high-volume teams with detailed oversight across every part of the business. Workiz takes a lighter approach. It covers scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and basic customer management, but it keeps the structure simpler so teams can get up and running quickly without heavy configuration or long onboarding. The biggest difference shows up in operational depth. ServiceTitan builds detailed workflows around how jobs move from lead to completion. It gives managers more control over tracking performance, technician activity, and business-wide reporting across multiple teams and locations. Workiz keeps workflows more straightforward. Jobs are created, assigned, completed, and invoiced in a more direct flow. That makes it easier for smaller teams to manage daily operations without dealing with complex setup or layered permissions. Scheduling and dispatching also feel different. ServiceTitan is built for managing large teams with advanced routing, multi-step job tracking, and structured dispatch control. Workiz focuses on quick scheduling and simple technician assignment, which works better when operations are less complex. On reporting and visibility, ServiceTitan goes much deeper. It's designed for owners and managers who want detailed insight into revenue, performance, and operational efficiency across the entire company. Workiz keeps reporting more lightweight and focused on essential business metrics. For large service companies, multi-crew operations, or businesses scaling across multiple locations, ServiceTitan usually fits better because it's built for complexity and control. For smaller service businesses or teams that want a faster, easier system, Workiz often feels more practical and less overwhelming. The key trade-off is power versus simplicity. ServiceTitan gives you more control, structure, and data visibility. Workiz gives you speed, ease of use, and quicker setup with fewer moving parts. To choose between them, look at your team size and workflow complexity. If you're managing multiple departments, technicians, and detailed reporting needs, ServiceTitan is designed for that level. If you're running a smaller crew and want to keep operations simple and fast, Workiz is usually the better fit. A simple next step is to map how many roles are involved in your current workflow, from booking to invoicing. The more handoffs you have between people, the more value a system like ServiceTitan tends to provide. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of field service software.